Hello, this is Adam with Butter Technology. I had a client contact me. They said their Dell computer is having some problems with its screen, so let's take a look here. Well, we all just saw that. Let's see. That's right, I don't think this... Oh, there we go. So as you can see, something clearly damaged the screen. Actually, right there. So, don't feel a crack, but that does mean the screen is in fact bad, so I will have to go ahead and get one ordered. I'll finish this video with replacing it. Okay, the new screen is set to arrive today, so I'm going to prepare this one. So what you're going to need is this. I always just use the smallest flathead precision screwdriver you can get. What you're going to do is you're actually going to just pop it in the side here of the frame. I already took the liberty of loosening this one a lot, but there are several little clips in here. What that is doing is that is popping the clips so that you can remove the screen, which I have already done. So now we are prepared to finish taking this off. What we need for that is just to release 4 of these little brackets here, which is a Phillips head screwdriver. So you'll just loosen those, remove the screen, and then I will be back after that is complete. Okay, now the screen is all loosened, all the screws are removed. All you'll do is peel it forward. Go ahead and lay it right down here, and then you are going to see this little ribbon cable. If I can get this to set down. What you're going to want to do is very, very carefully remove it, which this one is taped in place, so you'll have to peel the tape. Very, very strong tape, there we go. And then very carefully pop it straight out. Maybe it doesn't want to come out very easily. Normally, they will pop right out. I will get this out and then I'll be back. Okay, so the new screen got here. It was packaged nicely. I liked it. So, to install it, what you're going to want to do, I still have a screen protector on, so I'm going to go ahead and just set it face down gently. Then you have to get your ribbon cable hooked back up. You want to make sure you get a nice connection when you do. Which I definitely did not that time. we go. And good. And then I'll just replace that tape that I was peeling off earlier. We just want to make sure it stays nice and snug. Stays nice and snug. And then you will set it back in place, which, as long as you got the right screen, your holes should all line up where you originally took those screws out. So you'll see here's one. Screw it back in. What I like to do is go this corner, then I'll hop up to this top right corner. Mostly because getting to the opposite corners will help hold everything in place better. And after that, it doesn't really matter which one you do next. And then you'll notice I still have my screen protector on. And you will want to make sure you peel that off prior to reinstalling your front bezel. If I can hold the screw. I think holding the screws is the hardest part of changing out a screen. Okay, so now grab that, gently peel it off. You're going to want to discard that. Next, you will take your front bezel and get it all snapped in back into place. So start with the piece that hooks onto the hinge. And then, like I mentioned when you're removing it, there are a bunch of clips. So you're going to hear a lot of clicks right now, and that is each of those clips hooking back together. And you'll want to go all the way around the outside. And that includes this front, so you may have to use one hand on the back, one hand on the front. Because you don't want to push too hard on the screen or you could break it. So, now that that's installed, I'll put the battery back in. There we go. Powered on, and we will see if, oh look, the screen is fixed. So that is all there is to changing a laptop screen. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos.